In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your username on Threads. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, if we open up Threads app, we can go to our profile and tap where it says edit profile. That's how we can find our name and our username in brackets. However, if we tap on it right here, it says that your name is linked to your Instagram account and cannot be changed there. The same about username. So if we want to change our name or username on Threads, we need to go to Instagram, then profile, edit profile, and that's where we can find our name and username. So we can just tap at username field and then we can just change it. Tap at done to save the changes. After that, we can go back to Threads, we can refresh our page, and as you can see, Threads username has also been changed. That's how you can easily change username on Threads.